Good day, viewers, and welcome to today's class. I am your host, Chimugo Daniel, a statistician, and I'll be taking you through data analytics. We're going to be starting with data visualization. And basically, before we do data visualization, we'll have to work on data cleaning and transformation. When you collect your data, it is not cleaned, it is not ready for visualizations and analysis, and that is what we'll be working on today before we carry out our visualizations. Please stay tuned as we proceed with the rest of the class. Thank you. So we are going to be using a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. As you can see, the column is already highlighted. You can tap the cell, the column tag C, then right click to highlight, then insert. When you right click, these options appear. You insert a new empty column space will appear for you to carry out your work. You will leave the title cell now, which is the first cell. The second cell is actually the first cell for your data. We want to change this account name Rikadawa to proper case, so we'll put equal to and type proper. Then in parentheses, we'll put the cell value of that first cell, Rikadawa Foods. If you look at it, that column is cell column D, then that is on row 2, so that will be D2 in parentheses on your Excel spreadsheet. That's in brackets. Then you press enter. When you do this, your Excel will quickly give you the name in proper case. We have Ricada Foods in proper case, so we'll go to it. We tap that cell. Instead of doing it one after the other for every cell, you tap that cell, go to the bottom right, double tap, and it applies to all the account name values that we have here. See that? Wow. But we are not going to stop here. We need to clean, so we are now having two columns. So what we need to do is, we can't delete the former column. If we delete it, that's the source column. Everything we wipe on account name. So we'll copy this editor column. When we copy it, we paste it over the source column, so that the source column account name now looks like this editor column, which is what we want. Before we go back to the editor column and delete it, now we paste it over this source column. It has changed to proper case. Now, why proper case? Our data has to be in proper case when it has to do with proper nouns. Now we come here and we delete this editor column. No, we delete, not paste. We delete it because we can't have two identical columns. That's what we call duplicates, data duplicates. In my next video, I'll tell you about removing duplicates from data. Then you go back and fix in the column name, which is account names, because in the process of copying and pasting, the column name is not involved in the cleaning. Yes, it's only the cell, the values in that column that are involved in the cleaning. So we will have to work on only the data sets in that column. Then the column name is done separately, which is what I just did here. Now you can see our data is looking better because we've done one aspect of data cleaning, which is arranging it in proper case.